Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, good morning, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be checking out a new pair of TWS earbuds from HiFuture. They're a brand new model from the company and are called as the Flybuds. They're smart TWS earbuds that come with a new soft bass technology. We'll have to see what that is at a later part in the video. For now, first let's get started with the unboxing. We've got the HiFuture branding everywhere on the box, a picture of the TWS, and going to the back side, we've got all of its features and highlights. These are Bluetooth 5.0, support touch controls, has HiFuture's new soft bass sound, and offer up to 5 hours of continuous battery life. So that was our complete overview on the box. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let's open the box and see what do we have on the inside. There's a piece of paper at the top, removing which exposes the product. So here they are, our brand new Flybuds from HiFuture. They come in two colors, black and white. I've got the white color variant. Wow, they look really nice in glossy white. Gives a premium feel when you hold them. Let's also check out the charging case. There you go, this is how it looks like. Even this comes in glossy white with a beautiful finishing. So before we talk about them in detail, let's also see what accessories we got in the package. There's a USB Type-C cable for charging, a packet of extra ear tips in different sizes, and lastly a user manual. Make sure to check it out. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's finally check out the product. The Flybuds from HiFuture are Bluetooth 5.0 TWS, and this is how their charging case looks like. I have to say it's got a beautiful looking case in glossy white finish and has a rounded design. The build quality is good, it's made of high quality plastic and has subtle grey accents here and there. We've got the HiFuture branding, battery level indicator above that, and some info regarding the product at the back. There's also a tiny button here to check the battery level of the case, and a Type-C port for charging on the bottom side. So just like this, you can see the remaining battery level of the case. So just like the other TWS in the market, even this one comes with a built-in 500 mAh battery. Well, that was about the case. Now let me show you the earbuds, or let's call it as Flybuds as the company says. They're entirely in white color and feel quite lightweight in the hand. Each of them weighs only around 5 grams. We've got the HiFuture branding, and you see this top area on the earbuds? This is a touch panel. It supports touch controls as well, so you can control your music, calls, everything on the go. Going to the other side, there's nothing over here except the left and right indications. The quality of the ear tips is also nice, feel soft and durable. And on the bottom side, you've got the charging contacts and a microphone. Yes, they do come with a built-in microphone. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me pair them with my phone, put them on, and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Flybuds from HiFuture are lightweight and feel quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. The noise isolation is also decent. And have I told you that these are also IPX5 rated sweat and water resistant? So yes, you can even use them during workouts. Talking about the sound, the audio quality was pretty good for the price. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocal quality was nice, and you can easily understand all the dialogues while watching movies. Talking about the highs, the high frequency response was decent. It was producing smooth treble without any harshness. And coming to the bass was also good. These earbuds were producing a type of soft and rounded bass which was pleasing to hear. I wouldn't say it was super punchy, but had the right amount of bass. On the overall, I'd say the music on these Flybuds felt soft, soothing, and pleasant to hear. You'll surely be satisfied for the price. The TRHD was also minimum up to 85% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And talking about the audio output, the output was crazy loud on these earbuds. I couldn't go beyond 75% volume level. And not to forget, they also come with a built-in mic, and the microphone quality was actually great during call conversations. The other person could clearly understand what I was speaking. Alright, now let's talk about battery. Each of these earbuds come with a 40 mAh battery, and on an average at 70% volume level, I was getting around 4 hours of continuous music playtime. But since the case also comes with a built-in 500 mAh battery, it could charge your earbuds fully up to 4 times and offers an extra 15 hours of battery life. Well guys, that was my video on HiFuture's new Flybuds BT 5.0 earbuds. They're very stylish looking TWS with great features for the price. Love the design, offer touch controls, are IPX5 rated sweat proof, and the audio quality is also good. They cost around 2,499 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.